Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of Valorant transaction decline. For that, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. There are actually two ways. First one is you have to submit a ticket to the customer service, but that is not actually valid way because they generally do not respond to the ticket. So the second one is you have to change some of the settings of your PC and that will make the problem fixed. So that's very simple. You have to go to the Windows section and search for firewall and network protection. Here it is. You have to click open. The settings is open. Remember the name firewall and network protection. Okay, now there are a lot of functions here, but you have to click on allow an app through firewall. Click on it. This very simple process. Now you have to just find for the Valorant application from here, but it can be written as Apache or cache like that, branch Apache. As my Valorant application is not installed, so it is not appeared here. But if the application is installed here, then you have to turn on the public and private. You have to check mark both of the option for the Valorant. You have to click the change settings. That's all. It will be done, and after that, hopefully the problem will be fixed. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.